Morning everybody. So, di pa ako lumalabas. Kakatayo ko lang. And, aray. Sakit. Tawag magbe-breakfast muna ako. Tulog si Josawa. Umalisan kanina, binalik niya na yung rental car namin. And then, kain na ako. Pinuha niya ako na pagkain doon sa kantin. Tinago niya. Tingnan niya. Diba? Ay, pagkanyan pa si Josawa. So, may mga leftover kami dito. Ay, di ba punta kami kahapon ng Agdan sa kaibigan ko. So, alam niya na meron pang Pilipino. Alam niya na may balutin mo. Ay, may balot ah. Diba? Balutin mo. Nakita ko sa inyo. Pansit tsaka kasaba ko. Pansit, and then cassava cake. This is my breakfast. May leftover ako. Paglutuin ko na rin ito. Kunting kanin tapos fish. Yung unang araw namin dito yung nag-dinner kami. Buhay pa yung fish ko. Tapos, rice berry. Kati lang. Walking to the game. Diyan sa likod na yan. Kumot is always present.
That's alright? I look alright?
Yeah. Walking, malapit eh. Malapit lang naman sa hotel. Yun lang yung hotel.
Walking to the hockey game tonight.
Ano? Studio. Yung blue. Damig. We're here, States Arena. Diyan kami guys, daming tao. Nakapila na. Diyan yung laro sa loob. For the hockey, last day ng hockey namin. Bukas 30, hindi ko alam. Di 31 uwi na kami. Pasok na kami sa loob guys kung saan yung buwan. Kasi dito kami sa loob guys. Dito kami dinala kasi mag-award veteran dito si Josawa. So may palibre silang foods. Where are we gonna start? I think we're going here inside guys, dun sa upuan namin. So dahil special today yung aking asawa, alam saan kami banda upo nito. Daming tao. The game will gonna start later. Baga pa naman ano. I'm here, I'm inside in the penalty box. I'm here in the penalty, we're gonna go out there later. I'm here inside. sa loob kasi mag-honor siya. Parang nga lang siya for today's video, guys. After ng intro, yung sawa sunod. He's getting honored tonight because he's a veteran and he's been in the service for 30 years, my husband.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes hang through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched.
It is flesh.
Good morning everybody. So time is time na yata. So nga lang ako tumayo. Katapos ko lang magkain ng breakfast and nanonood ako sa TV. Napanood ko yung mga video ko. So now our agenda today, we have game 3 in the afternoon later, and then check in na din namin today, which is later tonight, and then tomorrow is our flight for 11 in the morning. So we're gonna leave here early tomorrow. So that's our last day today, and it is our last game today. So we're gonna watch for hockey, which is there only, same as yesterday night where I watched it, the same thing also, same studio now, excuse me. Now we're almost done for our week here in Illinois, Chicago. So after this one, we're gonna go home for a couple days only, and then after that we're gonna go to Pennsylvania, fly going to New York. So I think not a week, it's just a couple days only, stay at home, then we're gonna fly going to Pennsylvania for another game or hockey game, yeah, and then many more. So that's it for now for my update. Going to the game right now.
I got my phone.
Last game na namin kasi last na tomorrow. Win na rin kami tomorrow.
I got my wallet.
Breezy, ah. Heavy. Yung mga nakapila na. Haba na yung pila. Alas 3 yung laro today.
They are.
Like this?
I'm gonna spin it. When y'all travel, what y'all like? Water or land? When you guys travel, what you like? Water or land?
Well, she's from the Philippines, so we just fly.
Need to find our seats.
Free sample.
For here, nakaupo na kami dito guys. Waiting na lang later sa laro. Wala pa masyado tao.
Can you see by the dawn's early dawn, o'er the land of the free, and the home of the brave. Of game, talo pa rin sila. Wala silang score. Naka-score yung Firebirds 3. Ayan, 3. Kami wala pa. So, well, it's the last end of the game. It's 14 minutes left. So, last day. 5 minutes. Naka-4 score sila, 0 kami. Talo na. Bye na. Okay na. Okay na to. So, we're back here in the hotel. No, and then alis kami yan kasi kakain kami sa labas. So, katapos lang ng laro. Time is, it's 5:57 in the afternoon. So, nag-change lang ako ng jacket kasi ang lamig na sa labas. Very windy. So, para di tayo lamigin kasi maglalakad kami. Okay. Kulimlim. Baka ulan maya. I hope I have restaurant. Yeah, touch and go. Or in Bona. Bona Patsi. We have the same. Punipad. Kami guys, mga 3 minutes yata. Parang nangangan ang lamig. Hawak-hawak pa to, lamig-lamig. So yun, ice cream. Ice cream is life kahit ang lamig. Nilalamig nga yung kamay ko. Namumula. Nilalamig yan. Diba? Kahit sa New York kami habang nag-snow kapal na daw sa labas. New York ba yun? Hindi, sa Dakota. Yan. Makain pa rin siya ng ice cream kahit ang lamig sa labas. Pero sumasama lang ako. Hindi ako makain kasi nalamig na yung katawan ko dahil palalamigin ko palalo eh. Hindi na ako makalakad. Minaskig na ako.
Hey, Jose,
Diba?
tell me
Namilaw
what
ko
you
na.
saw.
Kasi lalamig. Pero tolerable naman siya. Kasi wala namang snow. Hangin lang naman kaya lumalabig siya dahil sa hangin.
Who got red? Who got red here right now? Huh? Huh?
Get everything, right?
Yeah. Check out na lang punta kami ng airport. Kami ang wala ayos-ayos. Pag ako nang biyahe, walang ayos. Chicago, Illinois. It's time to check out na namin. Good morning. Kami American Airlines to check in our bags. Kasi kami here. Sige, K. Letter B pa lang yata. NH12. Kanina nasa ano kami? K12. And then it changed to H9. Then nag-change na naman sa H12. So dito na kami sa another gate. So parating na yung aming airplane. Waiting on board na lang kami guys. Ganda ng background of Chicago. And then nakakapagod. Kakarating lang namin. So kakaupo ko lang. So later on board na kami. So update you guys back again after this. Okay? Yung flight namin guys, 11 pa, mga 11:30. Nasa ako, 5 o'clock tinising lang ako. 6 o'clock dahil kami yung inuna doon sa sakyan ng shuttle papunta dito. Ganun siya ka, tinatamad pa ako bumangon. Ang aga niya sobra. Saan ka nakakapag-flight ng 11? Tapos alas 6 nung ikaw na nandito na wala pa kami masyadong tao dito. Sobraan yung pagka-early birder. Damay, misadis po yan. Yan lang, nagreklamo naman ang person na yun. Lamig. It's cold, ha? It's cold outside.
You're going to 12, baby.
Kami na una. Diretso na kasi walang nakawag sa air.
Make sure not falling up first, baby. Oh, the adventures. Sure.
today. Where is number 12? Here? 12? So one?
Right here.
Yeah. Here inside, we're the first. Always flying with American Airlines, so I have.
She was gonna put me in 7, but somebody was in the aisle.
Bye for now, Chicago, Illinois. Bye bye. Next time again. Once you come back here, if I play next year.